Hey, it's Dr. Linda Davis, and today I want to walk through a Gimp example where we're going to just do a screenshot and capture that screenshot and give it a file name so that you can use it just like an image. So what I want to do is first I need the screenshot. So I have Gimp open here, but I'm going to switch over and drag let's just say a page from the internet on here. And I want to do a screenshot. So if I maximize the screen, I'm looking for the button on my keyboard that says print screen. So look at your own keyboard to see where your print screen button happens to be. Usually it's somewhere around your special function keys at the top of your keyboard. Every keyboard can be a little different on that. So let me select print screen on mine. And it just quickly takes a snapshot of whatever's on your screen at the moment. So I've done that, and I'm just going to pull my screen back over. Now here is back to my Gimp screen. Nothing changed, but I do have to get the print screen to show up. I'm going to go to Edit, Paste As, and I can just say New Image. And it will bring that over. Now in my case, I've got two monitors going on, so it kind of like has half of one screen and half of the other. So notice I have the scroll bar showing down here as well. So I can just, of the two screens, I can just take what I want. So if you've got multiple monitors, it's going to capture both. So what I'm going to do is I just want, let's just say I want to capture the navigation bar here, and to do that, if I want just to select a certain thing from the screen besides just getting the screenshot, it's also a lesson in how to crop or select down to what you want. I'm going to go over to the tool box and I'm going to select the rectangle select tool. You see it pop up. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to select what I want to keep. So I'm just going to select that navigation bar, just that part of it. When I let go, after I've selected it, you see the marching ants go around it to let you know that's what you've selected. And then I'll go up to Image, and I will say Crop to Selection, because I'm going to crop it down to just what I selected. And when I click on that, everything else goes away, but it leaves me the navigation bar that I wanted to keep. And then you want to lock it down by saving or exporting as, so it gets its own file name. So I'm going to go File, Export As, and I can give it whatever name I want to. I can just call it Print Screen. Example. And I can leave it as a .png file, is fine. PNG tends to work for about everything. So I will hit export at the bottom. I will wait for this next export dialog box to come up. Export image as PNG. Yes, I do. So go down and hit export again. And there you have it. That's now called print screen example. And that's how you capture something that's on the screen and then crop it down to just the part that you want to show and want to save to use maybe someplace else. Thank you for your time.